If you could shoot a video with any one of those cars, BMW, Shoginova, which one would you like to take?
Difficult decision, man. There's so many. I mean, what about this Folio?
We already did that, man. Don't you remember?
Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot about that.
And since we already did the Mercedes...
Absolutely. Now an option. Moving on. So English, but the Triumph for the Lotus?
Nah, too small.
Fair enough. So, I mean, realistically speaking, there's just one option then, right? The Fiat 124.
I mean, it's a light car.
It's got a great engine.
And it's got a manual transmission.
And it's a Pininfarina design. Let's talk shots then. I mean, look at this bonnet.
Yeah, I mean, those hood scoops, right?
So pretty, right? How they sweep up here. So I guess we have to start with the camera right here, looking up, right? I mean, of course, look at this gorgeous interior.
Yeah, we gotta definitely catch that. So we place the camera right here, facing inwards.
Yeah, I like that. Let's talk interior shots. I mean, obviously, we gotta catch that beautiful rev counter.
Yeah, and the Pininfarina steering wheel, right?
Absolutely. Since it's a convertible, we gotta show some weight in eye.
Yeah. So we will place the camera right here.
I like that.
Yeah.
How would we end this whole thing?
We're gonna drive into the sunset.
Yeah, I like that ending. Would be nice. Would be nice.